Okay guys, what we're gonna do today is the front differential. So on the front differential, both the drain and the fill plugs are torqued to 29 foot-pounds. Okay, so I'm gonna use a 10 millimeter Allen wrench attachment on my socket to break those off, and I'll use the torque wrench to tighten them back down. This is a very simple process. You're going to open the fill, open the drain, drain it out, put the drain back in, and fill up until the gear oil starts to drip out or spill out of the fill hole, and let it level off, and it's done. So again, it's 29 foot-pounds for the drain and the fill. Here are the gaskets. I don't know which one it's going to be. It's going to be one of these two. So when I take it off, I'll determine which one it's going to be. I think it's going to be this one. But this the drain is going to be this copper gasket that's typical for Toyota and Lexus four-wheel drive vehicles. So, all right, let's get under the truck and we'll get going. Okay, so now we are under the truck, and this is the front differential. I just drove the truck around the block to get this oil moving with four-wheel drive engaged on a straightaway. So this is the drain plug, and this is the fill plug. Both of them are 10 millimeter Allen sockets. So we'll break this one off first, then we'll break this one off, drain it out, reinstall this with a new crush washer, fill through here, new crush washer, torque to 29 foot-pounds, and we will be done. So that is now cracked. And here we go. Gotta make sure it's really seated in there. Otherwise you can strip it out. Okay, so make sure it's all the way in to there, and then we'll give it a crack here. And that cracked open, good. Now we're gonna put our, got this is open now, and this is open here. Got our rag ready and good to go. And there it is. So we got our fill off and our drain. We drain it out. It's about 1.4 quarts of gear oil in here. Toyota recommends, I believe it's 75W85 for the front diff, or a equivalent gear oil. So I would use like a synthetic gear oil from one of the major brands to fit that in. But 1.4 quarts, fill it back up, and we'll be on our way shortly. Okay, so here's the drain plug. Came off. I just cleaned it off. It had a bunch of magnetic shavings on it. This is very typical. You just got to clean it off with your paper towel. This is the copper washer that came off of it. So again, you can see this is my new copper washer. It's going to go right on it. And then this is the one that came off. Sorry, this is the one that came off of the fill plug. It's actually this one here. This is like a steel crush washer. The flat side goes down against the bolt, and the different level side goes up against the face of the differential, just like this, to torque that back on. So it does not use, this is the other style that Toyota uses. It's like not crimped at all. It's just one solid piece of like aluminum crush washer. We will not use that. So it's this one, and both of these get torqued to 29 foot-pounds. Put that back in and tighten this down to 29 foot-pounds. You can see now it's just filled until it starts dripping out of that hole, and then we'll let it level itself off and put the bolt back in, torque it down, and we're done.